How's it going, guys? Welcome back to GILL'S Garage. This video is going to be a little bit different because we're not working on cars this time. We're actually cleaning the parts room and fixing the lighting in the garage. So stick around and let me show you what we got to do. Alright, as you guys can see, everything in here is completely disorganized. It is an utter mess and things are just thrown around. So what we have to do is pull everything out of here, get the shelves out also, and get all the horse tack out of the bathroom. And then we're going to be able to paint the walls and ceilings to make it look good again. And then we can put everything back where it came from and organize it in a better manner. So let's go ahead and get to it. about 4 hours later, we finally got everything in here emptied out, the floors swept, and we're going to start masking stuff off. The plan is to just essentially paint everything besides the floor white, because the ceiling is already painted and all that, so we're just going to try to make it look a little bit prettier. We're going to mask off the toilets, and we're also going to go ahead and paint the cabinets white, just because I think it would look a little bit better. So let's go ahead and get to it. Alrighty guys, we finally got everything masked off. Sadly, I'm not going to be able to record myself spraying because I'm going to be using an airless sprayer, which is going to put off a bunch of overspray, and I really do not want to get any overspray on my camera. So with editing magic, I'm just going to make everything look brand new again. Just like that, it is actually the next day. I painted everything late last night, took the masking off earlier this morning. I think it looks absolutely amazing. Everything turned out perfect. So let me show you guys exactly how it looks. As you can tell walking into here, it looks brand new. The white paint turned out perfectly, and the cabinets also just look absolutely beautiful. We're going to go ahead and throw down some epoxy paint on the flooring to make it look nice and clean. And then we're going to add some light fixtures in because it's missing one in the storage room and one in the hallway. So let's go ahead and get to it. Alrighty guys, the flooring finally dried. I think it looks absolutely amazing. We're going to go ahead and get the cabinets put up so we can get everything organized and cleaned out of the main area in the garage, and then we can start putting the lighting up. Alrighty guys, now that we got everything organized in the storage room, we're going to go ahead and take the cars out of the garage, set up the scaffolding, and pull out the old light fixtures, and then install the new LED ones. So let's go ahead and get to it. So believe it or not, none of these ballasts work in here anymore. Out of all 10 of them, they're all busted. So what we have to do is take these old ones out and replace them with new 8-foot LED lights. So let's go ahead and get to it. Alrighty guys, as you can see, we finally got both the cars out of the garage, and I still have a huge mess of old parts and other junk that I still need to get rid of. However, in the meantime, I'm going to go ahead and get these lights thrown in so I can get the cars put back inside the garage before it rains in the morning. Look at that. Man, that is a night and day difference. These lights use about 75% less energy than the fluorescent lights do, and about 3 times brighter. So all in all, it's a good trade-out, and I'm really just happy that we're not going to have to use secondary lighting for doing much more filming in the garage. Alrighty, that's going to be it for this video, guys. I still have a bunch of cleaning to do, and I got to get the cars rolled back inside. Thankfully, we were able to get the lights installed and the storage room cleaned and organized, which is just going to make things run a whole lot smoother. Make sure to throw something down in the comments if you have any questions, and give this video a like. If you want to see more content involving the Camaro build, or just restoration on anything with a motor, make sure to subscribe to my channel, and without anything else, I will catch you guys next time.